craft time here at Camp Jasmine. Today, we're gonna make a sheep toy to play with, and you can make one too. Can you sign play with me? Play. Play. Oh, look who's here to help me. It's Sammy the Lammy. Hi, Sammy. Did you know that baby sheep, like Sammy, are called lambs? Can you baa like Sammy? What color should we make our sheep toy? Most sheep have white fur called wool. But sometimes sheep have black or brown wool. Sheep can have white faces, black faces, or sometimes they can have a mixture of both colors. I think I'm gonna make my sheep white with black fur on its cute little face. To make your very own sheep toy, you'll need a glue stick, a paper plate, popsicle sticks, construction paper, googly eyes, some cotton balls, and scissors. Always have an adult with you to be safe. What should we play with our sheep? I know! We can all sing a song together, and I have the perfect one.